Hello everybody, I've got a bug up my butt and I want to see if I can change the pin code to this SKEEM module. It's out of a caravan. I'm going to pull it to prove it with the logic key red pin, read it in, prog, register with Tango, look at it on the computer, and we'll see all the VIN information. And then with prog I will try to edit the pin code and see what happens. Try to get it to where you can see the red pin working. So I've got to set it to 88. Power it on, and it'll say something like Caravan or something like that. 88 Dodge Caravan pin read. Find that EEPROM pin 1. How are we looking on camera? Good. Here we go. Ooh. Didn't get it. Sometimes it's hard to pogo these things. There it is, 1771. Got it that time. Hopefully got it on camera. Turn this off. And now, if I'm rushed, it's because my daughter will be home from school soon. She will most definitely blast through this door of mine and interrupt. Okay. So I'm just gonna clip and make sure that I orient pin 1 properly. I can't see a thing. I've moved my stuff around. I haven't installed my nice little magnifying glass yet. Sorry. This is from the saw I did last. I think it has a nut. What do you have in here? I think it's an 040. Let's try to read. Okay, verify it. Done. We're gonna save. We're gonna do caravan. What's the date today? 3, 4, or 12, I mean. Ben. Can't talk. Alright, we're going to open Tango. It's plugged up. Plugged up, ready to go. I got interrupted, so I'm going to just do this all from right here. I'm going to use my red pen to pull this pin code, which should be 1771. Now, I got to this point whenever a caller interrupted me, but here it is. I'm going to just verify it real quick for you guys. It's the same. I haven't done anything. Tango, I've gone ahead and loaded it. It identifies the pin code as well. Excuse me. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and drop it. Okay, I'll close that. Drop it, and we gotta find the pin code. What is the location? Here it is. Bytes 4 and 5 have to be swapped. So let's do, that was 1, right? Yeah, let's do Let's do... Okay. Okay, see, that's not going to do it, but we're going to write it real quick. Okay, now we're going to read it. Okay. There it is. We're going to save this as Caravan. This one down here is the first one. Today's date, 3/12. We're going to do V2. Save. Pull it to Tango. Open a new one. We're going to hit Caravan. Go down to V2. Enter. What's the pin code? 2244. Changed it. What? Alright. Now I'm going to point this high so that I can get the red pin in frame, but I've disconnected from prog. And here's the red pin. Will it be in frame? Setting 88 is for Caravan. It should say Dodge Caravan. Make sure the pins are all sitting good. 2244. Changed it. Cool, cool. Fun stuff.